Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is another threat to biodiversity, which is eradication of predators and competitors. So eradication as a word just means, well, let's make that a bit thicker so we can see, to kill or destroy completely. Okay, and this is when species are killed because they either threaten humans or our property. So that could be livestock or crops or something like that, or they interfere with humans or human property or activities. Okay, so for example, sharks or snakes or crocodiles, they all directly threaten humans or are perceived to do so. Oh, sorry, threaten humans. To be fair, like snakes are one of the biggest killers of people in India, so I can see why people would be a bit upset with them. You've also got things like pathogen vectors. So these are, for example, mosquitoes, which transmit malaria, or tsetse flies. Oh, sorry, got to spell that right, haven't I? Which transmit what used to be called sleeping sickness. They might be predators of livestock. So things like wolves, some of the big cats like lions, or like herons and seals, which threaten like fish stocks, so fish farms or fish stocks in coastal waters. We've got agricultural pests. So you get lots of different species of insects, which are pests to crops, or you've got fungi, birds eating grain from the field or something like that. You've got wild herbivores, and these compete for either grazing, or they might consume crops. So lots of examples of those. Something as simple as rabbits in like a UK setting, all the way up to things like deer. And there is, in some countries, quite big conflicts with elephants coming in from surrounding areas and eating crops, and they're quite difficult things to sort of keep away because they're quite large. And finally, you've got things like forestry pests. So wood-boring beetles, which will damage the crops that are being, like the wood crop that's being developed, deer, will eat young trees or bark them in the winter, causing them to be killed. Beavers are something that you get conflicts in other countries, and because of the reintroduction processes that we see in the UK, this is something we'll see more and more going forwards as well.